Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. So what I'm going to do now is just show the automatic sort of stair detection or cliff detection as iRobot call it, where you don't need any extra sensors. The old i7 Plus did need sensors to prevent your robot falling down the stairs. With this one, it's got a built-in sensor, so as long as you've got appropriate lighting, so make sure you're not doing this in the dark with the lights off. It will detect where it's got to the edge and it will turn around and not fall down the stairs, as I'll demonstrate now. So I've just placed it close to the stairs and I'll now run it, and then you can sort of see it get to the edge and then turn around. Stop it there, but as you can see, that worked perfectly. No risk of it falling down the stairs. Works really well, so you can leave it just doing a clean by itself. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.